In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the API key on Convertkit. Whether you're looking to integrate your Convertkit account with other services or simply need more advanced access, knowing how to locate your API key is a crucial step. Let's walk through the process together, making sure everything is as clear and straightforward as possible. First things first, open up your favorite web browser and navigate over to the Convertkit website. If you're already familiar with the site, you'll know that it's known for its clean and intuitive interface, which makes our task a bit more manageable. Once you're on the website, you'll need to log in. If you haven't registered yet, take a moment to sign up. Logging in is your gateway to accessing all the features and settings you'll need. After entering your credentials, you should be directed straight into the dashboard where you manage your account activities. Now, pay close attention to the top right corner of the dashboard. This is where your account name or avatar will appear. Hover over or click your name or avatar, and you'll see a drop-down menu. In this drop-down, look for the option labeled Settings. Select it to proceed further. The Settings menu is where you can customize your Convertkit experience, so it's worth getting familiar with this area. Next, within the Settings menu, your target is locating the Developer or Advanced section. The exact name might change with updates, but it will usually be something along those lines. This section is crucial because it contains information pertinent to API access, which is what we're after today. Now that you've navigated to the appropriate section, you'll be presented with your API key. This key is what you will use for integrations, allowing other software or applications to connect with your Convertkit account. You may also notice an API secret key right beside it. This one stays hidden to ensure security, but there's typically a Show button next to it if you need to reveal it for use. Once you've located these keys, the final step is to copy them. Highlight the API key, right-click, or use the keyboard shortcut to copy it, and do the same for the API secret key if needed. It's important to ensure that these keys are kept secure and only shared where necessary, as they grant access to your Convertkit data. And that's it. You've successfully located and copied your API key and secret key from Convertkit. With these keys, you can now integrate Convertkit's powerful tools into your workflows, making your marketing efforts even more effective. I hope this guide has been helpful, and if you have any more questions or need further assistance, consider revisiting this video or reaching out for help. Thanks for tuning in, and happy integrating!